மேலே மேலே மாடி 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 ஆனால் இங்கிட்ட மாடி மாடி
Please come back. We are still waiting 1 hour. உள்ள மொபைல் அண்ணா 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 सर कुमार कुमार
உள்ள இடம் ஒன்றை நிரப்புவதற்கு வேட்பாளராக நியமிக்கப்பட்டுள்ளதால் சட்ட விதிகளுக்கு இணங்க நிறுவப்பட்டுள்ள இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பின்பால் உண்மையான நம்பிக்கையும் கட்டுப்பாடும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்திய நாட்டின் முழுமுதல் ஆட்சியையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் நிலைநிறுத்துவேன் என்றும் ஆண்டவன் மீது
We have just filed the nomination of our candidate Rama Srinivas ji, who is a young and promising leader with lot of experience in public service, and now I could see there is a wave of change in Tamil Nadu. I am sure this time, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and under the leadership of our NDA partners, we will form government in Tamil Nadu, and our candidate Rama Srinivas ji will surely win this constituency.
Sir, also you mentioned in the rally about the metro train project towards on coming elections. After NDA win, you will proceed to assure that, sir, metro rail.
Absolutely, I am sure that once Rama Srinivas ji is elected as MLA, we will take him to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and all of us know how much faith Modi ji has on this great city of Madurai, especially where the Meenakshi Amman temple is there, and Modi ji loves Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is in heart of Modi ji. So I am sure that once Rama Srinivasan ji reaches to Modi ji, the metro will reach to Madurai.
Sir, NDA government want to double engine government, sir. But DMK claims that it's Dappa engine. How to look at this, sir? How to claim?
See, DM, I don't have to answer it. People will answer. Because people have seen misrule of DMK. Almost 75% cabinet of DMK.
In the BJP ruling state.
See, if you look at the Tamil Nadu state, it has been one of the most promising state of our country, one of the most developed state of our country. But now, under the rule of DMK, it is running under huge debt. Now the debt has crossed 10 lakh crore, and the debt GDP ratio has crossed more than 25%. It is around 30%, 33%, which takes any state to debt trap. This is the misrule, misgovernance.
Sir, in Tamil Nadu, continuously DMK oppose the three-language policy. So what is your opinion on three-language policy?
See, my opinion is, let me tell you, we all hail Tamil language as one of the greatest language of this country. Our Honorable Prime Minister always says that Tamil is world's ancient most spoken language. And all of us, including a person like me who is not a Tamilian, is also proud of the Tamil language and Tamil heritage of our country. I think we are one people, we are one nation. We should take pride in our language, but at the same time, we should respect other languages of our country as well.
Tamil Nadu government says that BJP is playing a role in a Tripurundram issue.
What is your stand about
Recently, yesterday, Tamil Nadu CM also says. Deepa.
See, we are with the traditions of Tamil Nadu. And if somebody, just for vote bank politics, is disturbing the tradition of Tamil Nadu, this Deepam has not started this tradition after Modi ji became Prime Minister. It is age-old tradition. For centuries it has been going on. Then why does now DMK wants to stop it? It is only vote bank politics which DMK is playing, and all the people who believe they will show DMK a result of their deed. Thank you.
They are demanding about the aims.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.